Hi everyone, and in this tutorial we are going to look at how to export data to PDF file. In this tutorial I have data for world population, and you can see the name of the country here, the year, and the population. So by the end of this session you should be able to, for example, I can filter with a country, let's say United States. So I've selected United States and I can export that data to PDF. So here you can be able to see the data of United States population from 2021. You can filter with the year. Let me remove the United States and I filter with 2020. So I filtered with the year 2020, the population of which country in the world, and at the same time you can export to PDF. And you can be able to see here each and every country, the country code, the year, and the population. And at the bottom here you'll be able to see the total population of the earth that year. Let us go through the code. I have a function here that lists the population of the entire all the countries. You can see the population object order by the year, and you can see you can filter by the name and the year. That's the name of the country and the year. Then what I do is I come and store the name that is used to filter all the year in the session. Then once that is stored in the session, once you filter, and when you come to the export function, you can see here I have the same function for filtering. Then I have the PDF export template that I've created. Then I have the list of all the countries. Then if name, that is if they already name in the session, it returns the name. If there is no name, it returns none. The same thing with the year. If there is a year in the session, it returns the year. If not, it returns none. Then it will pass that name, all the year to the query. Then I've just used this date, that's today, just to show when the data was printed. Then here I look for the total value, or the total population of the world based on the filter. Then you can see here the context. My context is the population. That is the list of the countries, all the country. Then the population, that is the total population, and the data is today. Then I return a HTTP response. Then from there, in this part, I'm just using this part to add the name to the file. So you can see if there is no name, it will turn the file or the export file as world population. Then if there's a name selected, let's say for example you've selected United States, it will show United States population PDF. If you selected the year, it will show the year, the world population. Then from there we get the path of the template. Then it's a HTML, so we'll enter the context in the template. Then I'm using this library to export to PDF, and you can go through this library. It's a very good library. It has several functionalities on how you can maybe structure your file, okay, and it has so many other things, even advanced concept like adding passwords. You can be able to add tables, etc. So I'm using this package. You can see even signing PDF, encrypting PDF, graphical canvas. So there's a lot that you can do with this package, but I'm just using a small part of it on how to export PDF. And then if there's an error, it returns an error, else it gives me the file. And if you come back here, you'll be able to see the template that I'm using. So the header is world template, the world population. Then there's a styling here, so you can do the styling the way you want. Then here there's a static information. You can put static information or dynamic information. For example, if you're exporting data for an organization, so you can be able to get the information as far as the organization is concerned, then here I put in the data of the population, and then at the bottom here I put in the total value of the world population. Then from there I add the PDF, the population list PDF into URL, and at the top of my population template, population list template, I've added the button at the top and with the URL as population list PDF, and once you click it, you can be able to download PDF, and you can see the filter function here. I filter by the name of the country and the year. Thank you.